It's about a bigger picture than yourself. It's about saving species across the board.
Conservation Centers for Species Survival is a collective group of conservation facilities that have very large land holdings and work together to be stewards of wildlife. We bring from each of our facilities unique approaches to management, which really helps us be more successful.
Instead of being focused on individual animals, we're focused on entire species. And so this collaborative effort is what we're really excited about. It allows us to tap into unbelievable minds and research and science that on our own we would not have access to. Our ability to participate on a larger scale is invaluable.
When we participate in programs where we're taking animals and restoring them back where they're extinct, we're really making a difference on a global basis. When you see projects like the Scimitar Horned Oryx come to fruition, it's very inspiring.
Cheetah numbers in the wild are decreasing at a very rapid rate, and the recent estimates show that there's only maybe 7,500 left in the wild. Conservation Centers for Species Survival recognized a need to increase our population numbers here in North America. So our population in North America is an insurance population for the global and the wild population. And through that group of cheetah breeding centers, we've increased our knowledge of cheetah biology and also increased our cub production on an annual basis. We have this animal resource that we can use to make sure that all of the populations worldwide are managed to the best genetic and demographic perspective that they can be.
Space, as with a lot of these species, is important even when you're as small as the loggerhead shrike. Loggerhead shrike is our only shrike species that occurs in North America and nowhere else. We are reintroducing those birds into the wild in Ontario, and that population is being supported because of the conservation breeding while we try and figure out what's going on in the wild. C2S2 has brought to us additional partners to help with the space considerations, and the private landowner part of it is also incredibly important because almost every shrike in North America occurs on private land. Now, 16 years later, 28% of Ontario shrike have a captive origin to them. They would be probably gone if we weren't doing this right now.
Conservation Centers for Species Survival has really made huge advances in our ability to save these species and understand their biology.
We just love that spirit of putting wildlife first.